Namaste friends. We are discussing about bank reconciliation statement. This is third video lesson on bank reconciliation statement. In the first video lesson, I gave introduction to BRS and I've worked out two small problems. In the second video lesson, we completed almost all three problems with the same introduction which I have given in the first video lesson. This is third video lesson. In this video lesson, I am going to explain you BRS with the four problems and solutions. And this is the last video for favorable balance on bank reconciliation statement. After this, we have another two video lessons on BRS where next two video lessons are about overdraft balance of working out BRS when overdraft balance is given. So let us start this one by screen sharing. So, you know very well, I am Nayani Shyam Prasad, Faculty of Commerce in Tara Government College, Sangareddy. And by the end of this lesson, you know how to prepare BRS and illustrations of four problems are explained with solution. And you feel very happy how to prepare a bank reconciliation statement when favorable balance of cash book and when favorable balance of passbook is given. So once again, this is very important for explaining BRS. So there are major 8 points are there. If you are thorough, if you understand, you comprehend these 8 points, no doubt it is BRS is very easy. Surely you will get under banded marks in BRS. First, you have to understand checks issued but not presented for payment. Whenever check is issued, you know very well that is created to 3-column cash book bank column, created to bank column of the 3-column cash book. When whatever the credit, it is going to decrease cash book balance. As it is not presented for payment, obviously passbook balance will increase. So what you have to understand, when check is issued, cash book bank column is credited, cash book bank column is created because it is payment. Whatever you create in cash book credit side, cash book balance decreases. As the same checks were not presented by the takers, what happens? Passbook balance increases. So check issued but not present for payment, cash book balance decreases, passbook balance increases. Checks are deposited but not collected by the bank. Whenever check is deposited, you know very well in the bank, first it is entered in the debit side of bank column of cash book. Whatever is this receipt side, whenever check received, it is entered in the debit side of bank column of the cash book. Automatically, the receipt side, what happens? So cash book bank column increases. Cash book bank column increases. Cash book bank column increases. But the same checks, after receipt of checks by the bank, they are going to send the checks for collection. So in this time gap, what happens? Cash book balance increases, passbook balance decreases. And bank charges only debited in passbook. Whatever debited is payment side, this is withdrawal side or payment side. So cash book decreases. This is payment side. This is receipt side, deposit side. Passbook increases. So bank charges debited only in passbook. Whenever any service rendered by the banker, automatically bank charges that is debited in passbook balance automatically decreases. The same was not intimated to recorded in cash book balance increases. Bank charges debited only passbook balance decreases, cash book balance increases. Interest and overdraft debited only in passbook. Interest and overdraft is a payment and automatically it decreases passbook balance, but same is not entered in the cash book balance increases. So interest and overdraft decreases passbook, increases cash book. Next, interest on deposits created only in passbook. Interest on deposits created only in passbook. So this is a receipt. This is income to the customer. So it is great. Whatever the credit side of passbook, whatever may the credit side of passbook, whatever may the credit side of passbook increases. The same is not entered in the cash book decreases. So interest and overdraft debited only in passbook decreases, cash book increases. Next, direct payment by the bank. Bank paid on behalf of customer. Whatever the payment made by the bank, passbook balance decreases. The same not entered in cash book balance increases. So direct payment by on behalf of customer, passbook balance decreases, cash book balance increases. Direct collection on behalf of customer by the bank. Bank sometimes not only pays on behalf of customer, but also bank collects on behalf of customer. Whatever the collection that is entered in the receipt side, so that when passbook is created, automatically passbook balance increases. So the same is not recorded in cash book balance decreases. Direct collection on behalf of customer. So passbook balance increases, cash book balance decreases. Dishonor of checks and bills are recorded only passbook. Whatever the dishonor, automatically they are going to debit passbook. Dishonor of checks, dishonor of bills, passbook balance decreases. Not entered in the cash book balance increases. Dishonor of checks, bills, cash book balance increases, passbook balance decreases. This I am explaining for the last 3 video lessons. Now come to the problem. Prepare bank reconciliation statement from the following as on 31st March 2008. Balance as per passbook given is 2,300. Balance as per passbook is given. So as balance as per passbook is given, you have to see passbook balance increase or decrease. As favorable balance of passbook increases, we have to less. As favorable balance of passbook decreases, we have to add. So every point given is 4 point B, C, D, E. If passbook balance increases, we have to less. If passbook balance decreases, we have to add. So first you see checks deposited into bank but not collected by the bank. You know very well this is very easy. Checks deposited but not collected. Whenever check is deposited, automatically debited in passbook, cash book balance increases, but not collected by the banker, passbook balance decreases. So checks deposited but not collected. So passbook balance decreases. When passbook balance decreases, we have to add checks deposited but not collected. Add 600 added. Next, bank charges and commission debited only in passbook. Usually, bank charges and other expenses debited in passbook. Whatever we enter in passbook debit side, do very well. Passbook decreases. Bank charges debited only in passbook. Passbook balance decreases. But given also passbook, as passbook balance decreases, we have to add 300. Add 300. Add 300. Checks issued but not presented for payment. Whenever check is issued, you know very well, cash book bank column created. When cash book bank column created, cash book decreases. And not presented for payment means passbook increases. Given is passbook, as passbook increases, we have to less. Checks issued but not presented for payment. Passbook increases, we have to less. 1,000, we have to less. Next, interest on deposits created only in passbook. Whatever the create in passbook increases. Whatever the create in passbook increases. As passbook increases, why to less. So these two add, these two less. 900, 2,300 plus 900, 3,200. Minus 1,500, minus 1,500. If we less 3,200 minus 1,500 means 1,700. This is the easy parameter taken. For explaining a passbook balance we taken 2,300. If passbook balance increases, we less. Check issued but not presented for payment. Check issued but not presented for payment. Passbook balance increases, so less. Credit only in passbook. Interest on deposit created only in passbook. Passbook increases. Passbook increases, but less. Checks deposited but not collected by the bank. Checks deposited but not collected by the bank. Passbook decreases, we have to add. Debit only in passbook. Bank charges debit only in passbook. Passbook decreases, we have to add. So 6,600, 300, 900, 2,300 plus 100, 3,200 minus 1,500, 1,700 is the balance as per cash book. We have taken passbook balance and we got balance as per cash book. This is sixth problem. Two problems in the first video lesson of BRS. 3 problems in the second lesson, total 5 problems in the last two video lessons. This is 6th one, 7th one, 8th one, 9th one. Today 4. On comparing the 7th problem straight away, I will first read out the problem so that some people may write the problem. On comparing the passbook with the cash book, the following discrepancies were noticed. Prepare BRS with the help of passbook balance 12,000. Passbook balance 12,000 is given. Checks issued but not yet presented for payment 4,000. Straight point. Checks sent for collection not yet realized. This is also checks deposited but not credited. Checks deposited but not collected means checks sent for collection not yet realized. A check agent deposited into bank account but forgot to enter in cash book. Check deposited, sent to bank, they realized but not entered in cash book. This is new point, very important point. A check drawn on favors in firm's current account, wrongly debited in the savings account. This is also a new point. Check issued on current account but debited in savings account by the bank. The receipt side of cash book has under cash by 500. This you have to understand. Undercasting, overcasting, these are very, very important items. Undercasting in any book means that amount was not recorded. For example, here 500 undercast means 500 not recorded. 500 not recorded. This is very important. This is very important. I will, this is very important. What is undercasting, overcasting? I will see. Undercasting. So undercasting means what happens? Undercasting means you have to understand. Undercasting means that amount was not recorded. Overcasting means that amount is erroneously entered. That 2 points you have to remember. Very, very important points. Very, very important points you have to enter. Undercasting, overcasting you have to know. So you have to understand. Undercasting means that point, that amount is not. Undercasting means that amount is not entered. Overcasting means Forecasting equal to erroneous entry. Undercasting means that amount not entered. That amount not entered. Undercasting means that amount not entered. Overcasting means erroneous entry. Erroneous entry. These 2 points you have to remember. Very, very important points. So undercasting means that amount not, that amount left. Overcasting means that amount erroneously entered. So on comparing the passbook with that of cash book, the following differences were prepared. Checks issued but not presented for payment. So given is passbook balance 12,000 taken here, passbook balance 12,000 taken here. If passbook balance increases, we have to less. If passbook balance decreases, we have to add. So checks issued but not presented for payment. Check issued means cash book credit side, cash book decreases, passbook increases. So way to less. Passbook checks issued but not presented for payment. Passbook increases, way to less. Check issued but not presented for payment, 4,000 less. Check sent for collection not yet released. That means checks deposited but not collected. Checks deposited but not collected. Check sent for collection not yet released means whenever check sent for collection, automatically first we debit cash book. Cash book increases but not realized. Passbook decreases. Given is passbook. Given is passbook. Passbook balance decreases, where to add. Check sent for collection but not realized, where to add. Checks deposited but not collected. Passbook decreases, where to add. A check 800 deposit to bank but forgot to enter in cash book. A check deposit means where to debit cash book. Where to, if you debit cash book increases but forgotten. Not the 800 not entered in debit side of cash book. If 800 debited, passbook cash book increases but not. So cash book decreases. Cash book decreases. A debit not entered in cash book means cash book decreases. Debit not entered in cash book means debit not entered in cash book means cash book decreases. Passbook increases. Given is passbook. As passbook increases, to less. Check deposited not entered in cash book. If entered, cash book balance increases, but not entered, cash book balance decreases. Passbook balance increases. Given passbook increase means less. A check drawn on firm's current account wrongly debited in the savings account. So we issued a check and created 3-column cash book credit side. Cash book increases, but they are not debited in firm's current account. They debited in savings account of the customer. It is wrong. That means this is deemed to be checks issued but not present of payment. So check withdrawn, we created cash book decreases but not entered in firm's current account. Passbook increases. As passbook increases, by to less. Checks are drawn, not entered in passbook. This is equal to checks issued but not presented for payment. Here presented, recorded, but in customer savings account. Receipt side of cash book under cash book 800. Under cash means that amount not entered. If receipt side means debit side of cash book. If debit side of cash book, if anything is written, cash book what happens increase, but not written. So it is not entered. If 500 not under cash means the amount 500 not entered. Under cash means amount 500 not entered. That means cash book instead of increase, cash book decreases. Whenever cash book decreases, passbook increases. Given is passbook. Why to less? Why to less? So this 12,000, 5,000, 17,000. This is add. So 4,800, 9,800, 9,900, 6,400 less. 17,000 minus 6,400, 10,600, 10,600. This is the